actually have a 70th anniversary Z06 on display there. Look at that. So we got the center exhaust system going on there. Nice wing. So this is the convertible option, looks like. Looks pretty good. Got some vents down here on the bottom. We got oh, look at that. Yeah, the rimmed wheels there. Got the Brembo. Nope, that's just carbon ceramic brakes there by Corvette, looks like. Nice Michelin's. Got the new air intake look for that. The white stripes on a white base paint is a little bit of an odd choice, but we'll go with it for right now. Also got the hardtop variant over there, looks like. Nope, actually it looks like they're both the same. The two-tone on this is looking really good though. Got the 70 logo right there, that looks sweet. Looking at the front, we got that little bit of front aero package going on. Look at that. Oh, got the 70th logo on the front. That's cool. Interior-wise, it looks pretty good here from the front. Nice stitching. But yeah, I'm not sure about carrying this white stripe on the white paint. That's just a little bit on the odd side. Then we have the other variant here, not as much of the two-tone going on. Got the same anniversary wheels. Got red seat belts. Got the white interior, got the 70th logo on there as well. And got the front right there. This has got a different front end. We got a few different aero designs there on the front. Yeah, it looks really good. Got the vent right there as well. So this has got the Stingray logo on the back here as well. That looks good. Yeah. And this also has the side exhaust option with just the vent on the back. So it looks good. Definitely like it. Definitely is a very comfortable car. Still don't like it that it's a mid-engine. Would much rather have a front-engined Corvette, but this is what we're stuck with. So let's see if we can get Todd in here and see if he'll check it out for us. But yeah, pretty cool looking car. Didn't expect him to be here, so it's cool to see him here. Alright, people, we got Todd here to look at the Z06. Now, one thing I do not like, the white color and the white stripes.
Well, I like the silver, but I don't like the white on the top.
It looks good on the top.
Is it convertible?
I'm thinking so, but yeah.
It's gonna be a hard top.
But look, we got the 70 logo.
That's why.
Yep.
You know how rare this car is?
Yeah.
It's rare as it is, but then a 70th anniversary to boot.
Yeah, it's going to be really rare.
How did they get this?
Yeah.
I was expecting to see just a crummy old, your average run-of-the-mill, Z06.
Yeah.
To see a 70th anniversary.
Yeah. And so you got the two-tone seats in there. So black, and then you got the white center seats.
Yeah, that sky gray.
Yeah, you can't get into them, but
understandable.
yeah.
It's probably $200,000.
Yeah. But yeah, look at the metallics sprinkle there.
Sunglasses off something.
Yeah.
Love the side skirts.
Yep. The mirrors got a little bit on the shorter side, looks like. Yeah.
I can't even reach the tread. Yeah, cup twos. Or cup R's. Cup 2Rs.
Yeah. But it looks really good. You got the same logo here on the back as well.
The only thing this one's missing is the carbon wheels.
Yeah. So center.
Black tips. We saw that
black tips right there. Yep. And then you got the graphite with the little specks here as well throughout. And then you got the same thing going on there with the logo.
This
you can see
would be
that.
the painted carbon, not the exposed carbon.
Yeah, but it looks really good.
But that stripe is very weird. We'll give
Yes.
it, since it's a 70th. Look, even in the windows, see the egg, what they call it?
Oh yeah, the Easter egg there, that's cool.
That's cool.
But yeah, then check out the rimmed lines here on the wheels.
Convertible hardtop.
But yeah, look at the red line. Yeah, the red line on the wheels. That's just really cool.
You got the engraved.
Yep.
That's pretty. And the special caps too.
Yep.
And it looks like the
Looks really cool.
carbons.
Yeah. And then got the Z06 placement there on the side. So.
And so it is a little bit, I don't know how much, if it's actually gunked or not.
But the point right there is gone. They got rid of the main point, and like the main point right there that they shaved off. Yeah.
That was weird.
But see, this was so pointed out though that they kept banging stuff on, so they were able to take
Is that an actual engineering thing or not?
They were able to take it off just a little bit. It's not very much, but they did take off some of it. So.
Even when we first saw it, it was like,
yeah, so
I don't know how that's gonna work.
Yeah, so and then just the regular Stingray in the 70th. So, but yeah.
I want to get a picture of that.
Yep, exactly.
Actually, I don't know if it's...
Yeah, it's a little bit too dark to be able to really see it there. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that'll be able to show it.
Yeah, that's perfect right there.
Yep, right there.
Yes, a convertible hardtop.
Yeah, the two-tone.
I really don't like the pearl stripe.
The stripes are terrible on this. If they had just left it with the two-tone going on, it would be beautiful. But yeah, the stripes, it breaks everything.
This is an extra feature.
Yeah, it's an extra piece of aero that you can add on. So that's really
those
cool.
calipers, those are the special red paint calipers
Yep.
as well.
So yeah.
See if we can get a picture of it.